Welcome to Malkari Market News. On your Android mobile, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Malkari Market News. Tap on the app with the red icon and hit install. Your one-stop app for trading and investment updates. Wait for it to download and install. Now open the app and you're in. Scroll through crisp stock market headlines. Quick, clean and focused. Want to dive deeper? Just tap Read More. Like dark mode, you've got it. Switch to dark theme for a comfortable read. You can also swipe through stories like cards, fast and efficient. No noise, just news, only stock market, trading and investment. Now head back to the Play Store. Scroll down and give us a 5-star rating. Leave your feedback, it helps us grow. Malkari Market News, one place for serious traders and investors. Thanks for your support.